Ever wondered how the world's best chefs create culinary masterpieces? The secret lies in their training, their passion, and their relentless pursuit of excellence. Welcome to the realm of RTRK Hotel School, where aspiring chefs transform into culinary artists under the guidance of experienced mentors. Nestled in the heart of Itahari NTC Road, Itahari, RTRK offers an intensive one-year program in professional culinary arts that is as robust as it is rewarding. Imagine spending a year immersed in the world of flavors, textures, and aromas. Picture yourself mastering the art of creating exquisite dishes that leave a lasting impression. At RTRK, you don't just learn to cook, you learn to create culinary magic. Our one-year program is meticulously designed to provide a comprehensive understanding of both the science and art of cooking. From understanding ingredients and mastering techniques to learning about food presentation and kitchen management, our curriculum covers a wide range of topics that go beyond the stove. But that's not all. As a student of RTRK, you become part of a vibrant community of passionate food enthusiasts. Our alumni network spans across the globe, offering endless opportunities for mentorship, collaboration, and career advancement. Moreover, our program is not just about gaining skills, it's about embracing a lifestyle. It's about understanding the importance of sustainability in the kitchen, learning to create dishes that are as good for the planet as they are for the palate. So, are you ready to embark on a culinary journey that could change your life? Are you prepared to step into a world where food is not just a means of sustenance, but an art form that brings joy, comfort, and connection? Then don't wait. Pick up the phone and dial 02-5582-034 or 98-420-56164 to kickstart your culinary journey with RTRK Hotel School. Because the world needs more culinary artists, and you could be one of them. The time to act is now. Apply today and let your culinary journey begin at RTRK Hotel School.